So, for website designers and graphics designers, you may want to download high quality images from Google Chrome, but you don't know how. Today, I'm going to show you how you can download high resolution images from Google Chrome. So you open your Chrome, then you can search for any image of your choice. For me, I'm going with the pets or pet. This is a very good technique for you, the designers, because you will want your designs to have a high resolution images. So from here you click on images, and then you go to tools. From here you go to tools, click on tools, and after tools you come to size, which is here. You click on this size. From here you choose the large size, choose the large. So this has sieved off the low resolution images. Any image you see here should be a larger size. And for you to download the original version, you click on the image thumbnail and allow it to load. As you can see here, this image is failing to load. When it remains small like this, you don't have to download it, because if you do, you will be downloading a poor version. It has to display fully the original size of the image before you can download. So if you choose this one as fully loaded, however, you can still confirm further by trying to download. When you try to download, it has to display the image file name, the original image file name. If you click on an image and the image does not appear clearly, that means it has not fully loaded. And when you try to download it, it will either show you a file name called images or untitled. When you see those two file names, for example, this one is showing image, that means the image is not fully loaded. So you don't want to download that, because if you do, you will be downloading a lower version of the image. So you make sure the image fully loads. If your internet is okay, it will display very fast. When you click on this, you see it is well loaded and it's showing the real file name. That means this image is loaded well and you can download it. You just save. And this, when you try to download this and see if it can display the real file name, yes, this one has also fully loaded. So this is how you can be able to tell this image has loaded well. So you download the highest resolution. And please, if you found this video resourceful or useful to you, subscribe to it and like it as well. You may also want to subscribe to Lulua TV, the mother channel to this, or the sister channel. Lulua TV is the first channel and it has given birth to this Lulua TV Tech, because we felt we needed to give you ideas of how certain things are done. So pretty simple. This is how you can download high resolution images from Google Chrome without going to any other website. However, here you may not bypass copyrights and sorts, because you can't be so sure if the image has copyright or not. So you need to be careful while using images randomly like this. Thank you for your time.